Bollywood.
मुंबई में हुए क्लीन एंड क्लियर मुंबई टाइम्स फ्रेश फेस 2015 में काफी यंग और टैलेंटेड कंटेस्टेंट्स ने पार्टिसिपेट किया। यहाँ क्लीन एंड क्लियर करेज कोशंट राउंड भी रखा गया था, जिसकी एक झलक आप भी देख लीजिए।
Can you impersonate Alia Bhatt?
मैं तो शनाया हूँ। So hot, just hot, forever hot. Baby lips, एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू। औरत के सर का ताज होता है एक चुटकी सिंदूर।
यहाँ आए जजेस ने हमसे बात की और अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया।
This is the future, you know, these young kids here who are just 16-year-old, 17-year-old, and they have so much confidence. Being a part of the show and encouraging them for their future, it feels extremely rewarding because I was once 16 and I was once in college. And when you're that age, you want to conquer the world and you need all the encouragement, and that way Bombay Times is really going all out to encourage them.
And how do you see Bombay Times Freshman as a platform for younger talent?
It's great exposure. It's all India exposure. So at that young, tender age, when you get that kind of exposure, it does great things for your confidence.
सारे राउंड्स खत्म होने के बाद जजेस ने क्लीन एंड क्लियर मुंबई टाइम्स फ्रेश फेस के विनर्स अनाउंस किए और फाइनल अनाउंसमेंट के बाद इन विनर्स ने हमसे बात की।
I'm completely speechless right now. It's a big thing winning this event, and I am sure I'm gonna make Mumbai proud in the nationals. And I don't know, I'm speechless. Like, I thank Clean and Clear, this platform, Sagar sir, and everyone who's helped me out. All my friends, they've been the best with me. They've supported me through this event, and I hope my dream of becoming an actor comes true. I just hope that.
How has the journey been?
The journey has been amazing. Trust me, starting from the auditions, then the semi-finals, then the finals, and finally when they announced my name, I was in tears, like actually in tears. And I mean, winning this event is nothing greater than me in my life.
What special can we see from you in the finale?
I would say that I did my 100% right now, I'll do my 200%, and this time I'm representing Mumbai, so it's gonna be some Maharashtra style, and let's do some Dinchak this time. I'm gonna win this for Mumbai. Love you, Mumbai.
It feels great, it's completely unexpected, and I mean there was so much support, and I think the judges were really kind, so yeah, I think it was good, thank you, it was nice.
How has the journey been overall?
Overall, it's been a really good experience. I think the Times people have been very supportive when it comes to, you know, our little workshops, our grooming sessions with Masaba also. It was great. It was really good.
And what are your special preparations for the national finale?
Well, I think I just got to know that I won because I think I'll step it up. Let's see. I mean, it's not easy. So let's see. Let's just hope for the best.
And how do you see Fresh Face as a platform for younger talent like you?
I think it's a great platform. It's very fair, and I think they give you a very good opportunity to showcase your talent and explore yourself as a person. So yeah.
All in all, ये इवेंट था काफी स्पेशल। बस अब इंतजार है तो क्लीन एंड क्लियर फ्रेश फेस 2015 के ग्रैंड फिनाले का। And for this, you guys stay tuned to Zoom. Bureau Report, Zoom, Mumbai.